guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Anirudh, and I'm finally back from Pune. I came back from Pune like yesterday. It have been a long time since I've picked up this camera. I guess it have been like 3 months. So I just completed another semester of my college and I'm back on vacations. So it's been very long since I've even started the extended. It have been sitting for like 3-4 months and I missed it a lot more than I expected. I really need to start working on my cars. I don't know what will be the title of this video, just showing some love to basically both of the cars. And one more thing I need to show you guys. Firstly, there are keys to both of the cars, and as you guys know, I have my birthday soon, so my friend gave me these two gifts and specifically told me that these two will be helpful for the thing that I do, that is just work on cars and make YouTube videos, right? So I thought of making a unboxing video of these. So these might be very significant for my channel or what I do. So let's go. So here's the first one. Boys, finally I know how important this is going to be for the channel. Like every second comment or every second message I get on Insta is like, bro, you need to get a mic, your voice quality is not good. I know it's not good, but every time I like save up for a mic and then I'm like, I can get a new car part for this price. It was always in one of my priorities, but I just couldn't buy one. I was every time I was like, oh, let me just buy another part. It really means a lot for my channel and for the YouTube thing that I'm doing. So yes, a big thank you and a big shout out to her. I know the sound balance is not right throughout the videos. I try a lot, but it gets really up and down and it sounds very muffled, like it might be sounding right now. Yes, finally, let's unbox this and try a few samples with this and without this. So let's go. Ooh, check this out. Looks so freaking cute. Now let's try some sound clips and see how much of a difference it makes. So let's go. So right now I have the mic disconnected. So what I'm going to do is record the intro, what I say in the intro, and then again record it with the mic switched on. What is up, boys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Anirudh. Now this is with the mic on. What is up, boys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Anirudh. Now time for the second gift. You still can't tell. It's a Stanley half-inch 24-piece toolbox. Oh my god. If you guys know, I have a 1/4-inch ratchet set and the biggest socket size I have is 14 mm. For this car I am going to do a lot of stuff on my own. One thing that I was lacking to a big ratchet and a big breaker bar and also the big socket. So here I have, and especially Stanley, it's like one of my favorite and one of the best brands I know. Here you go. It's a 24-piece set. It feels so nice. So here's our half-inch ratchet, and here are all the sockets from 10 to a 32. Look at this. It's as big as the lens. This is going to be a very handy set. I seriously need one. Once again, thank you so much. It's not my birthday, but I'm very stoked that I opened it right away, because this mic especially is going to make a big difference. So now we are done with the gift unboxing. So now let's go out and meet our beloved accent and maybe give it a wash and also do the VRS. I'm seriously happy that I have such great friends and a family that supports this kind of passion and this YouTube thing. Seriously, thank you so much. She has a dog page. She doesn't have a YouTube, so I can shout out her YouTube, so give her dog page a follow. Now enough with the talking. I'm going to meet a few new friends. If possible, I'll show you guys their cars, but it's the first time I'm meeting them in person, so I don't want to make them awkward. I probably won't like put the camera in their face, but I'll try to show the cars. So let's get moving. Now I'll keep you guys on the tripod because the car is in the garage. dead. We tried to push start it, but it didn't help, so I've called someone and he said he'll charge me 150 and we'll get it started. It's running, but there's a thing. Let me show you. Yup, it is having a misfire, so we need to check that out. Before that, I need to go for a drive so that the alternator charges the battery up. Then we'll stop it and see what's wrong with it. Now let's go for a drive and then we'll see what's wrong with it. One thing I noticed, it's smelling a lot of oil. That means it's burning up quite a lot of oil. So we need to check and sort everything out. It's been so long since I've driven this car. Oh, it's misfiring like hell now. Probably 2 cylinders right now. I'll let it run for a while, let the battery charge. Till then I'll wash the VRS because I need to leave in like about an hour to meet the boys. I'll keep you guys on tripod and I'll wash the car quickly. It's all clean, all the wheels are out. It's so shiny. But as you can see, I've lost one, but I have a replacement for that, so I'll just quickly put that on. So it's done. Now let's leave because guys are about to reach. About to reach. So boys, we are going back home, but actually it was a very nice meet, small little meet. They all were so nice and amazing cars as well. So let's get home, and it's pretty late, but I wanted to work on Exedy, so it's not possible right now. So maybe I'll continue the video tomorrow. And the signal is open, let's go. So we are back and it is quite late. Overall the day was quite eventful. For the first time I met enthusiasts locally, like in person and saw their cars, like beautifully built cars and built for the purpose of obviously going fast, and they all look beautiful. I'll link their Instagrams down below, so go check their accounts out. Tomorrow I'll be going to get some spares for the Exedy. I'll actually do something for the cars. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to leave a like, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. A lot more cool videos are about to come, because I can't show you down, but there is like a ton load of parts that I've already bought for my VRS. So stay tuned for that. This car is going to be super fast real soon, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay savage.